Rod's tapping. Doesn't look big though, does it?
It's looking good. It's a small one there. Jerk it!
I don't know. It's hard to tell.
Eight pounder.
Nice. They've all been about the same size. A little smaller one, but it's nice.
Yeah.
Say goodbye. We'll let this one go. Big fish.
Something on there.
Big fish. Oh, she's big. We pulled up to shore and we anchored on shore and we're fishing from shore. Another fish. Oh, that's another nice one, huh? Like the other one you got. Was that Phil?
About the same. 8 pound range. But what do I know?
Yeah, who knows? We're getting on some fish though. There's a deep hole out here and we're anchored on shore, close to a hole.
Yeah, 20 miles from town.
Yeah. Taking out some drag.
Maybe
Taking some Joel.
Maybe
You're
10
taking-
pounds instead of 8 pounds.
Yeah.
Well, that's a big head.
Oh man.
Who's netting this fish?
I think I am. I'll get it. Oh man.
Bigger.
That's the biggest one today, maybe. Oh, yeah. She got some girth. Oh man,
It is a big one.
that's what we're looking for right there, man. Big cat. Gold eyes are working today.